and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the April Double Shot Kit. So our Double Shot Kit features 2 brand new collections each month with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. It's a great way to have a little bit of new product coming in each and every month without breaking the bank. So this month our 2 collections are 49th and Market Starlight Dreams and Simple Stories Tea Garden. Along with your kit, you'll have access to this free exclusive cut file. It's this awesome diamond framed with a bow, so it'd be perfect for both of these collections, so be sure to download that. We also have lots of inspiration and challenges over on the Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to join us over there and check out all the other wonderful kits. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in this month's kit. The first collection we're going to look at is Starlight Dreams from 49th and Market. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Storm cardstock and 1 sheet of Coastal. Your pattern paper is this one here called Enchanting, which is a great background paper already done for you. I love the bright floral clusters on the dark there. It just really pops. The back is this beautiful kind of night scene. We have a full branding strip. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We have this paper called Serene, which is the dream catcher and florals. The back is this awesome wood grain, another full branding strip. Then we have this one that's called Tranquil, and this is gorgeous 3x4 cards. Some have picture frames, some have journaling spots. Super fun paper there. And the back is a chevron design. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get various pieces from the ephemera and the chipboard. So like these words here and this, these are all chipboard, and the rest of these are from the ephemera pieces, so they're the heavy cardstock weight. So all of those will vary among the kits, but that'll give you an idea of what your embellishments will look like. So that is Starlight Dreams from 49th and Market. Our next collection is Tea Garden from Simple Stories, and this is a definite kind of spring vibe. I love that it kind of centers around tea because I love drinking tea. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of aqua. We have this paper called Fresh Air, which is the florals and greenery. The back is a check print that is called Fresh Air. This one is Be Happy, a wide stripe in all of the different colors. And the back are these fun little circles with the leaves. So to me, it looks like fruit. I'm assuming that's what it is just little fruit pieces or little flowers. You could interpret either way. I think fruit, but I guess it could be flowers. This one is the 3x4 elements. So a lot of fun here. These would definitely be cute, fussy cut out for some extra embellishments. I love that. These would be great for journaling spots. A cup of tea is like a hug. The back is a white polka dot on green. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of embellishments. We have some of the foam pieces, so all of these will vary. We have some of the enamel dots, and they're the sparkly ones, so I love that. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera and some of the journal bits. So you can see these little floral fruits. You tell me which way you read that, as a floral or like a little berry type fruit. So this is Tea Garden from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store, as well as individual items. Rochelle has a lot of single kits right now, or single collections, so you can kind of pick and choose some if you'd like to add those to your kit this month. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.